being in the life of this world is hard. Living in this abode is no easy task, filled with temptations and trials and all sorts. And so if you have no religion to help you cope as you live in this world, then you will have to look elsewhere to opiate the pain of being in this world. And that explains why people go on to do bizarre things with themselves, with their bodies, with their identities. What are they doing? It is a cry for help in most cases. It is a desire to find relief and to sedate the pain of being in dunya. So you try to find yourself in someone or something because there is no religion in your life. There is no Islam. So being in this world is difficult. And being in this world without Islam makes it exponentially more difficult.